This week, I am taking the Tuesdays with Matthew program on the road in the form of a senior road trip to bring some movie magic to seniors I have never met. Today is our movie day premiere where the seniors see themselves on the big screen for the very first time. Okay guys, come on in! Is this your son? Hi, I'm Matthew. Nice to meet you. So you are Kathy's older sister. Did you ever think that your sister would be on the big screen today?
No, I didn't.
Do you have any idea how good you look on this big screen?
Yes.
This is your movie day premiere. For us to do this program and to bring you guys joy means more to me than I can ever articulate. So just thank you from the bottom of my heart. We have cake, we have popcorn, I have champagne glasses filled with Ensure. There are family members here today who have come in to see your moms and dads on the big screen and your sister. That means the world to me. You have no idea. My hope is that you guys just see your family in a way that you never saw your family before. Matthew seniors, 1, 2, 3, action!
Before? Get out, or I shall call my servant. You used to be big. I am big. It was the picture that got small.
You know what I feel like? I feel like a cat on a hot tin roof.
What is the victory of a cat on a hot tin roof?
Just staying on it for as long as she can.
How was it seeing yourself up there?
Awesome.
Yes?
Yes.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
High five. Amazing.
It was exciting and it was the funnest thing I think I've ever done. When I leave this planet, I'll remember this.
I see my friends on the screen, and then I see my friends sitting here, and I'm thinking, holy cow.
Did you ever think that you would be a movie star?
Oh, no, not possible.
Yeah, but possible now, huh?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Yeah. Was it weird to see yourself on the big screen with the wig and the...
It was very weird, yeah.
But worth it.
Yeah, yes indeed.
Yes. How old are you again?
96.
96 years old. Did you have fun?
Yeah, I really did.
Did you ever think when you woke up that day that you would be Elizabeth Taylor?
No.
And did you ever think that 2 days later your sister would drive over an hour to see you be Elizabeth Taylor on the big screen?
Lucky her.
Give it up for Tony. Was it fun for you?
Tremendous.
Yesterday was absolutely the most fun for all of the residents. They all learned something about someone.
Yeah.
That's the first time he's really been active in doing something and he volunteered to do.
Action.
I want my children to see it.
Just minutes before we came in, she was crying and depressed and said, I can't do anything. Just to see that smile, I haven't seen that smile probably in a couple of years.
Yeah.
She sits in a dark room. She won't even turn her lights on. We brought light today.
See you next Tuesday! 100% of the monetization from our video views go to Meals on Wheels. For all things Tuesdays with Matthew, follow us here.